Hey guys, the brand sent me this ultrasonic jewelry cleaner for free so I can check it out and create this video. I want to show you how well it works by cleaning this dirty old quarter. But before that, I wanted to run through the features. Now it's super easy to use. You're simply going to open over here and fill it up with water. Okay, now we got some water in there. You're simply going to now plug it into a regular outlet. Now at this point, you can either add some soap in there and mix it around, or you can use this included ultrasonic cleaning solution. I'm gonna put in 3 drops. You can see in here, it's a very large capacity. So if you have larger jewelry, dentures, retainers, mouth guards, toothbrushes, shavers, knives, coins, you can fit a lot of things in here. We're gonna close the lid and give it a start. There it goes. You can hear it's not loud, it's just a little hum. You're gonna let it run for about 5 minutes and it should be done. Okay, now it's been a few minutes. Let's turn it off. And there you go. You can see the huge difference there. So it works great, easy to use, and I would definitely recommend this for anyone who wants an ultrasonic cleaner.